Good afternoon, students. In last class we completed the Wrong Man Workers Paradise that are written by Rabindranath Tagore. So here we shall study now the articles. There is a zero article also is there. In last class you studied that one articles. Why we are using here articles? Because to recognize the number, volume of the thing here. So here we are using articles. There are two types. Already you knew that one. One is definite. Second one is indefinite. In definite we are using the, and indefinite a and the. When we are using the here, accurately that reader who is reading, he knew that thing, what is that. At that time only we are using the here. Give me the English book. Means you knew that your English book. How is that? Which is that? How it is looking. So here we are using the. And a and the, there is a little changes. When we are using a here, when the consonant sound is there, we are using a. And when it is consonant, when it is vowel sound, at that time we are using and here. Little changes are there in a and when we are using. Sometimes that before in the last class, when you are in 5th, 6th, 7th, there is only vowel telling. But when it is vowel and also not sounding vowel sound here, at that time we are using a here. That is United Kingdom. Here we are not using this one, United Kingdom. U is there here, but it is a United Kingdom or the United Kingdom we are using. We can't here use the and. Here it is vowel, but it sounds here consonant sound. And in some places there is a consonant but pronouncing is vowel here. He became an MLA. Became an MLA. You are asking me that. Here it is consonant. Don't see the letter here. Pronouncing. Coming our mother tongue. ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಎ ಎಲೆ ಬರೆದು ಎಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಮ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಎ ಎಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಇಯರ್ zero article. Zero article means here zero means nothing. Sometimes there is vowel sound, whatever it is, we can't use any article. We left that one blank here, that place. So in that B part, in your page textbook 13th page number, they given in first grammar revisited, fill in the blanks with a or an. There we are using a and or the here. In the next, fill in the blanks with a and or the wherever necessary. They given in bracket note. There are some blanks where an article is not required. It is called zero article. We can't use there. Here some rules are there where we can't use the article. First one, do not use any article before the names of countries, person, months and specific places. We knew that a historical place, person's names. You will asking me that in question, if you are in the classroom, you ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೆಸರಿದ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನೇಮ್ ದ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. and months, June, July, August, specific places ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Do not use any article before the names of metals. There is a iron ore. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. The last I given the example, give me the English textbook. Here we are not using here language. It is a textbook, so we put the here. When we are using the languages for the purpose, she is speaking the English language. No, she is speaking English language. She is speaking her mother tongue, like that. Here when we are using for the language purpose, we can't do we can't use that here article. Do not use any article before the names of before the common nouns. Common nouns, you knew that one, whatever. And don't use any article before the names of games, football, tennis, table tennis. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಟಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆಗೆ ಅದರ ಮೊದಲ ಬರುವಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೂ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. We do not use any article before the names of relatives, uncle, aunt, cousin, grandma, grandpa, like that. We can't use that article here. And we don't use any article before the names of continents and countries. Asia continent, Europe continent and other countries here. We don't use any here articles, the, a and we don't use. And one more note is there, important one, where we use here the definite article, because that continents, country names, specific spaces name, we knew that one, how it is. That historical place, that Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal we are using. But here in some specific, they are telling here, we use the before the names of countries, states, which include words like republic, union, kingdom, states. Yeah. For example, USA, United Kingdom, United States of America. There we are using the article. ಯಾವ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಅಥವಾ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರೊಳಗ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್, ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿರ್ತಾವ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವಲ್ಲೇ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. When we want to mention about the buildings which are for, when we mention the or an, when we are using hospital names, school names, societies names, that market names, there we are using the here. And we use only the, because we knew that when the hospital name, so we able to recognize that place in India, so we use the hospital name here. And the JD society, because we knew that the JD English medium school, how it is, which type of building it is. And do not use any article before the names of food and festivals. Holi festival, Ramjan festival, Christmas, like this. We don't use any here the or a or an, any article. That foods also here. This is the zero article. I think you will write that grammar illustrated. 3 activities they given here. In the middle B part only the here only blank, zero article is there. So you will write this one. Complete and only left here in the first chapter there is in a grammar revisited D part, articles or prepositions, it is not to you for. It is make a X mark here, cross mark. And so here we studied the article names here today, completed. And next we are going to study about the poem today. Do you know who is Manmohan Singh? That one. We knew that one. Who is that? Our former Prime Minister. He is only the economist, that Manmohan Singh. But today we are going to study that Manmohan Singh. Who is that? He is the writer, poem writer. He is working in our administrative service in India. Today we are going to study about him. That is a Manmohan Singh. He is not a Prime Minister. First only I am telling here. Manmohan Singh. He is working in our Indian administration and he wrote many poems. He is a contemporary, that now only he is alive. His poems have been published in a number of magazines, and this poem is chosen from his book titled Villages Poems for 1 marks. That to a pair of Sarus cranes taken by dash book here, Village Poems underlined. I first only told in a first class, only I told that one. Every word is very important. They will ask middle, otherwise back side, otherwise inside the poem they will ask here. So the to a pair of Sarus crane written by Manmohan Singh, taken in his Village Poems here. And before we are going to study the to a pair of Sarus cranes poem here, they asked here one question, that Gandhiji here telling how we eligible to here make a yardstick of the morality of a man or a person or a country people on the base of how we treat the animals. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಉಪಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ನೈತಿಕತೆ ಅದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮನಿ ಒಳಗ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅತಿಥಿ ಸತ್ಕಾರ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿತದ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾರ. ಬಂದವ್ರು ನಾವು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಾ ಕೂಡು ನೀರು ಕೊಟ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರದ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಬಂದವ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ನಿಂತು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿತದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಂದಿ ಇದ್ದಾರ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವತ್ತನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಜೀವದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ನೈತಿಕತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದ ತಿಳಿತದ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ statement. And now we are going to study the poem. I will read the first 4 lines. The male was shot as he necked to pull the reluctant sun out from the rim of origin. Here necked, underline the here word necked. You have this one necked. Now it is a verb. It is verb here they are using. Neck. It is noun. It is a parts of the body. They are using that one here. It is also coming for exam, and they will give in a noun form. You will use in a sentence that is a verb form. They are asking nose. My car nose in the traffic. Means here ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ ತನ್ನ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಮೂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕದ ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ ನಡುವೆ ತೂರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ನೊಳಗ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ neck means he is taking his neck up when he wanted to come outside of his nest here. At that time sun also came outside of his rim, whatever rim. ತನ್ನ ಗೂಡಿನಿಂದ ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆ ಸರಸ್ ಕ್ರೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ ಅಂತ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಅದು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹಾರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಂದ. ರಿಲಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಾನ್ ಮುಂಜಾವು 6:30 ಸುಮಾರು ಅದ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಅನುಮಾನ ಪಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾನ ಬರ್ಲೋ ಬ್ಯಾಡೋ ಹೊರಗ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಅದು ಸರಸ್ ಕ್ರೇನ್ ಎಂದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರೊಳಗ ಇನ್ನೇನು ತನ್ನ ಮುಖವನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ತನ್ನ ಗರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಹಾರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರೊಳಗನ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಹೊಡೆದು ಕೊಂದ ಇದೆ. And she flew crying. Means here first only heading you knew this one, not only one crane. Here a pair of Sarus cranes. Couples are there, male and female. Here male died here, expired. That female is crying because of her that husband's death here. And as she was picked up hands and jaws, he is taking whatever that felt downside of his man here. He is taking his hands and jaws. Jaws means the mukhavanna etti nodikatala. And a proud neck was humbled because he necked up here. His neck became upside to fly in the sky. But now became it is downside. Humbled, ವಿನಮ್ರಾಗ್ಯದ. ಯಾಕ, ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ಪ್ರಯಾಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ. ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡರ್ಟಿ ಲೆನನ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಿದ್ದದಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಲಸು ಅರ್ಬಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೆಲಗರಿಸು ಅರ್ಬಿಯನ್ನು ಒಗೆದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಗಿತೀವಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಡರ್ಟಿ ಲೆನನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಚೀಲದೊಳಗೆ ಅರ್ಬಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬಿಡಿದು ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಗೆದ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒಗೆಯೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ತುರುಕಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದು ಸತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದದ. ದಟ್ ಸರಸ್ ಕ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. How she is crying out, how she is showing her sorrow here. She is flying that outside here, circled the sky in movements of grace. Means here how the God gave her grace. That grace marks ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದೇವರ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳಿಕತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಅಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಂದ. ಡಿಸ್ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಾಡ್ ಗೇವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. And the killers went away and she returned to the death scene. Whatever he who shot here the male Saras crane, he went away from the place, death place here. Afterwards she came the death place. What left there with a grief means a sorrow, and that inscribed its intensity in a dots and pits. Whatever inside she kept, she is not crying when the man is there who shot dead here, give the death to the male Saras crane. He gone away. That time whatever she kept inside, that sorrow came outside. How it is like a falls of the water, like that. Dots and pits. Intensity means very much fastly. That pressure came outside. Like the Morse code of birds' sorrow transmitted to the air. Morse code means here coding words. How that birds language is changed, that animals language is changed, and that man's language is also changed. Here Morse code means here birds language. It is gone. Birds sorrow transmitted, it is transported to the air, like she is crying. And here they given that one whatever. Humbled means low. In a glossary came that one coming. Inscribed, wrote, cut words on something. Here inscribed means whatever cut words. She is telling that one cut words. When we are in sorrow, we are also not talk correctly. Like that she is speaking here cut. And Morse code means a symbolic language invented by Samuel F.B. Morse, that use a combination of long and short sounds or flashes of light for sending messages. How that telegram fax also coming in that shorthand. They are using here that coding words. Like that here they are telling that Morse code means coding words of the birds. And next transmitted her, coming to the poem, transmitted in the air. Here she is transmitting her sorrow here. With her beak she kissed whatever feathers left, because here dead body, that man taken away from the place. Here only left his feathers. Here he is taking that one in her hand. She is kissing and picked up the ones that wind had not taken away, because wind also blowing very slowly at that time. Some feathers left there, only some feathers gone far away. And sat to hatch. How the egg hatching here. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತದ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ಗರಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಸರಸ್ ಕ್ರೇನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಜೀವ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕತ್ತು ಜೀವನವನ್ನ. ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇನ್ಡ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he shot dead, that whatever blood came outside because of the bullet here, that blood stained feathers into a toddling chick. How that small one egg, she is giving that life here. Like that she also wanted to give life. Whatever left here feathers, she wanted to give that feathers life for the male Saras crane. A wave of the seas. Lastly what happened here? A wave of the seas she had never seen came to her from far away. That very, because she is very near to sea here. That a big one wave like a tsunami it came, because that God also not want to see her sorrow here, and like that she is giving that grief here and carried her to him, and they both joined in the heaven here, male and female Saras train. She went away beyond hymns words, beyond the legends and fables of human love. ವಾಟೆವರ್ ನಾವು ದಂತ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಕಥೆನ ಲೈಲಾ ಮಜ್ನು, ದೇವದಾಸ್ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಅಂತಾವು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಉನ್ನತವಾದ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳ ಮಿಲನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಇವೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದೊಳಗ ಒಂದಾದ್ರು. ದೇವರು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಗವಂತ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕಿ ದುಃಖವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಾರ್ದ ಆಕಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಯ್ದ, ಆಕಿಗೂ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೇ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎನಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ you can read the glossary here. Thank you.